Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this text behind person video edit on CapCut PC. So firstly, you're going to select your video. It can be more than one person if you'd like to. Copy and paste that and then go to remove background and select auto removal. It does work out a little bit better if there's only one person, but I'm just gonna try with this. Then I'm just going to add a text underneath that layer. And then I'm just going to type in graduation or something. You can type anything you want, of course. Whoops. Make sure you lock this layer so it doesn't move. You can change the font if you'd like to and stuff like that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can create this text behind person edit on CapCut PC. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.